Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this interesting question. Pearson Edexcel Level 1, Level 2 GCSE question paper. So here is a shape with all its measurement in centimeters. The area of the shape is a centimeter square. We have to show that the area is 2x squared plus 24x plus 46. So we know this is a compound shape. So we need to restructure it in order to get 2 or 3 different shapes in it. So if I want to cut it in this way, it means I have the area of this, then the area of this. Okay, let's use CD since we have A as the area already. So the area of C is going to be a rectangle because this is 4, this is having a different dimension. We don't know what dimension is there. This being here means that it's not the same. So area of the rectangle C, then the area of the rectangle what? D. A rectangle has length times breadth as its area. So I know the length of D, but I don't know the breadth because from the top to here is the x minus the x plus 11, right? So part of it is taken. You know, this part is taken as 4. This part is taken as 4. Meaning the remaining part is going to be the whole of the part minus 4. And that will be x plus what? 7. You know, if you take away 4 from here, you will get this. So the area is nothing. We know the area is the A. It's nothing but the area of this, which is length times breadth. So 4 times x plus 1 plus the area of this, nothing but the length, 2x plus 6 times the breadth, x plus what? 7. So that is what we are having, the total area of the two rectangles. Let's maintain the A and expand. 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 1 will be 4. In this bracket, we are going to expand it using the terms in the first bracket, multiply all the terms in the second one. So 2x times x, that will be 2x squared. 2x times 7, that will be plus 14x. 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 7, that will be 42. Right? So let's simplify the common factors out. I can see that our A will be equals to 2x squared. This is 4x, 14x, 6x. This will give you 20, right? 20 plus 4, 24. X. 42 plus this will give you 46. So therefore, the area of these two rectangles or the complete shape will become 2x squared plus 4x plus what? 24x plus 46. I guess we get it. Right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.